Hello everyone, this is AttendX, a QR-based smart attendance system, a modern solution for classroom attendance. We are a team of four: Rohit Kumar, Joan Morris, Kishore Kumaresan, and myself, Kishore Kumar Saran. So what is AttendX? When we observe the time and efforts being put in taking attendance in a traditional classroom scenario, we found it to be ineffective. So we came up with this idea which reduces the time and addresses the usability for faculty and mitigating proxy issues. The QR is dynamically generated by the instructor and scanned by the student in the classroom radius. QR changes every few seconds, and the location of the student is tracked while marking the attendance. So that's it. Let's dive into the design. A teacher creates a course. A teacher can create multiple courses, and a course can be created by multiple teachers. So this is an NSTM relationship. Student enrolls in a course. A student can enroll in multiple courses, and a course can have multiple students. So this as well is an NSTM relationship. A course has a session. Course has many sessions, but a session will belong to a particular course. So this is 1:n relationship. So this is the entity relationship diagram or ER diagram for the database of us, having entities, teacher, course, student, and sessions, and their respective attributes as well. So, database schema. Teacher has email, name, DOB, date of birth, password, and department. Student, roll number, email, name, department, branch, and password. Course and session have their respective attributes as well. So what have we used to implement this website? For backend, we went with Node.js and MongoDB as our database. For frontend, we used React.js and CSS for styling, and Socket.io for real-time QR code generation. Authentication system. So the login features. We have email-based login with OTP verification and user type selection. There are two types of users, student and a teacher. So each and every one of them, like the student and the teacher, has separate attributes and separate collection of information. So this is the login page, which has email and password with a sign button. User registration. So we have to select a type of user, say a teacher or a student, and we collect personal details of that particular type of user, that is their attributes, and we verify their email through OTP, and we create a password of their choice. So this is the creation of our account or registration to the website. Password recovery. So once the password is forgot, we ask email as an input and send an OTP verification and create a new password. So this is an implementation of that. Teacher dashboard. What does teacher dashboard have? Teacher is meant to manage the class. So class management, session creation. Each and every session is created by a teacher, and the dynamic QR code generation is done by the teacher as well. And each and every student's attendance will be visible for the teacher as attendance monitoring. So this is a dashboard of a particular teacher with the courses which he takes, and he may create a new class as well. So student dashboard. Class enrollment, available sessions view, QR code scanning for the particular session, and attendance history for each and every course. So these are the courses, and we can view details which gives the attendance percentage of that particular class for that particular student, and he can join a new class as well with a class invitation code. Class management. So class creation process has class name, code setup, subject details, invitation code generation, and this is an implementation of that. Class enrollment. For a student to join the class, he has to enter the course name and invitation code. As you can see, DBMS is the course name and join DBMS is the invitation code. Session management. So each and every session is time bound, and the QR code generation is dynamic. Each and every QR code expires after some limited amount of time. This enables real-time monitoring. So this is the implementation of a session. This 20 marks here the minutes of that particular session to be active, and this 50 marks here for the radius of that particular classroom. Attendance marking is done with the help of geolocation verification and timestamp recording. So this is the QR code scanning for that particular student for that particular session. Security measures. We have implemented this QR code with dynamic QR code generation and time limited validity. So these are our future enhancement plans for this particular project. Enhanced geolocation accuracy, mobile application development. Currently it's in website. We are planning to implement an app. Offline mode functionality for limited connectivity scenarios and descriptive analytics for attendance records. So for conclusion, this QR code based attendance addresses various issues from the time management to impersonation. Thank you for your time and attention. For further issues, contact us at attendx45@gmail.com. Thank you.
So this is our AttendX website. So this is our landing page. So here, for the first time users, we have included the tutorial. So look, see, we have included the sign up, login, and teacher dashboard tutorial for creating a class. So this is for the first time users. So as of now, I'm skipping it. So let's see. So let's sign up as a teacher, and let's start a tutorial. So I'm entering my name. We have included this OTP verification for email verification. So let's select my department, CSC. So this password. So after entering our password, we'll be redirected to our login page after successful registration. So here we can just using our email and password, we can sign in as a teacher. So since we have used only one mail ID, so one mail ID only for it can be as a teacher or student. So for one mail ID, we cannot be act as a student or teacher. So I'm signing in. So this is our teacher dashboard. So here you can see whenever you create a class, you can see the classes. So now I'm creating a class. We can create a class by entering course name, course code, invitation code. So now I'm entering creating a course. So let's say DBMS. So course code is CS 2001 and invitation code is join DBMS. Whenever you create class, you will get a pop-up. Yeah, so you have created a class. Upon clicking it, you can see the course details of the class. So this DBMS course code, invitation code, and you can see who and all the students enroll here. A student can enroll in the course by putting this course name and the invitation code. So here you can on the bottom left corner you can see this create session and show session. So by click on create session, actually you can create classes. As of now, after student dashboard I will show. So here show sessions, you can see the sessions you have created. So let's go to student dashboard, and after enrolling in this course we can do this tutorial. So now again login page, let's sign up as a student and login. So we are creating a student login. So student sign up as student. So
So after this, you'll be asking your roll number. So this is my roll number, my branch, UAI, my department, and my department. So after creating, we ask password. So 1, 2, 3. As of now, no restrictions for any password. So after that, they will be redirected to login page after successful creation. So here, we can create as, we can log in as a student.
So after login, look, see, we have it. Welcome back, Praneet. So this is a student dashboard. So here at the look, see, bottom left corner, you can see this join class. Here, as I said, you have after entering this model course name and invitation code, you can join a class. Let's say I'm going to join this DBMS class which I created in the teacher dashboard, and invitation code is join DBMS. So after clicking this, you will be joined in the class. So clicking on this, you will get the details of the course, who's the instructor, DBMS, everything. So here, if the teacher created a session, the session details will be popped here. So now let's go to the student dashboard and create a session. Let's create a session. Look, see now, as you can see, some students has enrolled. Praneet has enrolled in my DBMS course. Now we can create a session by entering. Let's say I'm creating this session for 5 minutes, and allowed radius is 200. This means the radius, let's say the radius of the class is 200 meters. So a student who scans the QR code must be around the class of the radius 200 meter size. So now I'm creating a session. After successful creation, you will be give a pop-up and you'll be displayed the QR code. So here, after a QR code is displayed, a student can scan the QR code and mark their attendance. So what special about QR code is this is a dynamic QR code. So QR code is generated. So let's as of now I have kept changing time for next QR code for 40 seconds. So actually this is dynamic. For every 40 seconds, a new QR code will be generated. By providing this, we could ensure that no screenshot of the QR code can mark attendance. Look, see QR have changed. So we have just provided like this. So student after scanning will be his attendance will be marked. So now as of now I'm closing it. So look, see when you click show sessions, the session you have created will appear. So when you click the view, this Praneet will be if you have marked attendance, it have updated the status to present. As of now he has not marked, so the status is absent. Look, see now action. Now look, see here we have given the allowance for permission for a teacher to change the status of the student. So let's say as Pranita has some issues marking his attendance. So now you can change the status of this attendance from absent to present. So I am updating this status. Now you can see Pranita marked present. So now let's scan the QR code once and check how the QR. So now I am on the student dashboard. So here we can see the details of the course. So DBMS. So now I'm going to scan the QR code which is created by my teacher. So now let's scan the QR code and check. So by clicking on scan QR code, now it will ask access for camera permission. Now I'm going to scan the QR code. Now look, see attendance marked successfully. If you try to again mark the attendance, now here you see means it will be marked present. Yeah, now for this session you are present. If you